They say that one Biafra man he remains small when he use okpo wey they call blow for Asari Dokubo head though. As Asari Dokubo sit down jeje for him wheelchair. Now this man come talk say if he say no be one thing, if for use blow finish Asari Dokubo. My people, he don't read though. Yeah, I go show you the video. However, they say that the Nigerian armies don't catch in colleague when they collect money for checkpoint. This is what have been going on for a long time. They know themselves. However, they say one of our brother we do have a very big business in Ireland. They say as it be like this now, the guy don't they cry. Say these people want collect their business from his hand. So we'll go talk about time when we'll get there. My wonderful people, the Yorubas have sent a clear message to follow Yorubas where they plan to the suppress Igbo in any form, in any kind. We are going to go inside all this detail. I just want to bring them, come outside, may you know what they go on and the things we want to talk about today. My people, welcome back to Barnabas G. Share this video, make sure they follow this channel for more updates. We are going to jump inside and look inside the things where they happen as we talk right now. They say one Biafra man, go capture Asari Dokubo for one video. Contour say if you know be one thing, if for use blow, go follow up for their way in down for WeChat. That's what I'm saying. I beg go organ, no try am. If you touch that man, I be say don't buy person, no try am. So I'm going to show you the video. May you watch before we come back and continue.
No nyembu anwa. Abana China na eti kapia anya. No nyembu. How are you? Abana China na eti amapu mi my God na anya na. Epo ya ka na wheelchair.
My wonderful people, welcome back as I've watched that video. No be smart, you know, so we don't see him. Now Asari Dokubo we say go buy now the car, then go do this one though. Not be this one. However, let us go and watch this one. May you hear those people where they call our cars for inside the road. Today they say in cop don't follow. I see as in senior colleague take catch up for the matter.
Man, open this money. This one, no, this new one. Open it. No, open this other new one. This one. Turn it. Open this one. Turn it. No, let it face me. Let it face me. Let it face me. What can you see here? On top is zero. Eh? Here, call. What can you see?
My wonderful people, welcome back. No be smart, you know. As you don't watch, I'm not so you now. Wait our people they say every day if you pass the gifts, they may give them a car. So, however, let's see this our brother, the kind business we get for inside Ireland, and see as this island government want collect the business from this our brother hand. But however, my people, if you get something for our blood, I beg, may you try get one way pass them for your hometown. I not encourage anybody at all these days. May you go for inside big city, go no, do it for your village. Because that's what you do for your village. Nobody go fit take them out from you. Nobody go fit take them from you. But if you go do them for outside, no they fear for all those men. Say your uncle, your village people, your this one, no fear for them. If you fear for them, they go buy you. If you no fear for them, stand your ground, know the kind God way they serve. You go dig but nothing they happen. So in case of our brothers, we get companies for outside country, for inside Nigeria, or more, get some more for your village. For your village, go your fatherland. Even though not be for your community, but may be close to your house, where your people go fit tell you say, see your thing or would they see more as it be. However, let us watch the video before we come back and continue.
Hello, my name is Emeka Ipukeme. I own Paso King, and I'm just trying to show you a video of what is happening to me. From this company, which I started in 2019 as Paso King, we grew very, very fast because of the opportunity that we saw in the market, and we grew to close to over 100 fleet. But since 2021, I have been going through a lot, every day fighting for survival. In 2022, they removed my insurance from removing me from all the companies that I was working for no reason. And I continued fighting every day for survival. You can see all the trucks, vans that I have here. Most of these vans, some are still new, some are still under finance, most of them are paid for, and we have been working very hard to keep the fleet. In 2023, a man came to my office and said he's the god of insurance, and he took away my insurance, said he has cancelled my insurance, took my 179,000 euros that I paid. And after that, just to survive, in a bid to survive, I went and bought another company called Nova Point. They defrauded me of 350,000 euros there, took so many of my trucks, used them till they were destroyed and returned them like this yellow one here. They returned it in this state. This one, they crashed it and returned back to me. I have seen a lot from all this. You can see some of the trucks, the vans and trucks you're seeing here is about 30% of my fleet. Most of the rest of the vans, some are at work, some are still being held by the police or recovery agents who are seizing them for me not having insurance for no reason. And this is what is happening here every day. I'm going through a lot. The situation now is they are trying to close my business. I cannot close my business because I worked hard for this. I did not steal from anybody. If I have stolen from anybody, let them come and arrest me today. I worked very hard day and night. At least everybody that knows me in Ireland knows that I don't sleep. Day and night I'm running around to build all the depots I built around Ireland. I have been closing each and every one of them one by one since 2021. One by one, I had almost everywhere in Ireland. I had a depot almost covering almost everywhere. They have now reduced my fleet from 100 to what is left now. This is about 30% of it. Every day I'm fighting just to survive. I had to move my wife and children away from this country because of the threats, just because I own this business. This has been going on since 2021. This is just what you're looking at is just about 30% of my fleet. Not all that I have. This is just about 30% you'll see that is left. And I don't know what they want me to do. I've tried to put some of them on the market to sell them. Nobody's coming to buy. All I get from a friend of mine who I gave to put them on the line is that somebody called him and told him not to sell any of my vehicles by Denny Motors, that he should not sell any of my vehicles, that that they will come and collect the vehicle when it's the right time. This is what I'm going through. So I don't know what to say. I'm just showing it to the world to see what is going on. Thank you.
Welcome back. As you have watched that video, maybe you don't see this na our people. We get businesses some part of the world. This one na island they happen. Don't hear them. You see the massive cars, things we get for inside that place. If this canteen, if you still get them for your place, you go feel make am. I not say you know they there. We not say we get baba people everywhere, but you know around you go feel still have the business for your hometown and nothing go do am. Your business go dey secure for you. Okay, my people, now so we see for here. I'm also bring a call for you. Make sure say you share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I want you to watch this video. Yoruba send message to their own brother. Just watch the video.
You're intimidating Igbo people. You sold your lands to them. You used the money to go and spray a musician. And now you want to come back and claim ownership. Where is that done? There's something wrong. I beg, don't let me go there. You sold almost half of Lagos is gone. You sold the land. They got C of O. You are now coming to claim ownership of the area. You want to be chairman of the landlords association. Why you on paper you don't have anything. What you? I tell you.
We don't talk this in many times. Say land where una they collect from Igbos now sell and give them. And I tell you one thing: our people will come back home, but see those land where you collect, they go still buy them again. So you no get what you go do, and you no get anything where you go do put. So the Yorubas should be brother to Igbo people, should be a very good brother to Igbo people than this thing what una they do. Because last una go regret that, because Igbo land will be everywhere. Like as soon as people they pack they go Lagos, that is what will happen in Igbo land. It has been written and nothing will change it. If you not like more na view on 100 land, go here, go where, go there. When I do everything I go do, you go see favor the Igbo people. Now be the thing we wanna know. However, share the video and make sure you follow this channel for more updates. Stay hot.